Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to announce a brand new series that I have been working on and I can't wait to share it with you. If you are interested in mastering Autodesk Revit, whether you are a beginner or seasoned pro, this series will tailor made for you. So let me introduce you to Revit Mastery 5-minute tutorials for beginners to pro. In this series, we will be deep dive into the world of Autodesk Revit, exploring its powerful features and tools in bite-sized 5-minute tutorials. Each episode will focus on specific topic covering everything from basic to advanced techniques. From architectural design to structural analysis, MEP systems to landscape design, we will leave no stone unturned. Here is a sneak peek at some of the topics we'll be covering. We'll start with the fundamentals like navigating the user interface and creating basic elements. Then we will move on to the very specialized areas such as collaboration and coordination with other professionals like structural engineers and MEP designers. And for all this, you landscape enthusiasts out there, we have got a comprehensive section just for you. You can expect a new video every week. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. This 5-minute series take you only 5 minutes of the day. Think you have a 24 hours also. Let me put in this way. The 5-minute content will be specific so that you can remember that. And hey, if you have any specific topic you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. I'm all ears and ready to create a best series that I can. Get ready for the Revit Mastery 5-minute tutorials for beginners to pro. Don't forget to subscribe and share it as much as you can. It will help me to boost my confidence toward you as my people and on the series that will be going on. And let's dive into the exciting world of Autodesk Revit together. Thanks for being a part of my journey. Welcome back. Now that you know what to expect from our Revit Mastery series, let's get started with a quick introduction to Autodesk Revit. Autodesk Revit is an incredible building information modeling software that empowers architects, engineers and construction professionals to design, collaborate and visualize their project in a 3D environment. The beauty of Revit lies in its multidisciplinary approach. It offers specialized tools for architectural, structural engineering, mechanical, electrical, plumbing and even landscape design, all integrated into one platform. Whether you are working on an architectural masterpiece, engineering a structurally sound building, designing MEP system or crafting stunning landscape, Revit has got all you covered. And that's not all. Revit fosters collaboration like no other software. Multiple teams member can work together simultaneously on the shared model, promoting seamless coordination and reducing error during the design and construction phase. As you can see, Revit isn't just a tool, it is a game changer that elevates the way we design, construct building. So whether you are just starting your journey into the world of Revit or you are a seasoned professional looking to refine your skills, this series will equip you with the knowledge and expertise to master this incredible software. Thank you for joining me in this introductory video. Remember to like this video if you are excited about the upcoming Revit Mastery series, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all your future episodes. As always, I am here to help, so feel free to ask any question, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's embark on the Revit journey together. Thank you.